going on, everybody? Today what we're gonna do is something super simple. I don't know if I'm gonna get into detail or not, but it's gonna be a super simple install. Most of you probably won't want to do this or won't like it, but I'm looking at myself with the freaking phone. Anyway, so today what we're gonna do is install some visors, some window visors for the S550 Mustang. Here we go. So anyways, the reason I'm installing this is because I like to cruise with the windows down a lot. So sometimes I like to just crack the window open a little bit, but I don't want all that freaking sound from the air coming in. So I bought these visors and I'm going to install them. First thing I'm going to do is clean up where I'm going to install it with some soap and water, and then wipe it down. Then I'm going to come back with some water and alcohol mix and clean it again. The reason I want to do this is so that the 3M adhesive sticks as well as it can. Here's the catch. On my car I have the black vinyl wrap on top, kind of trying to make it two-tone, and I'm going to stick it to that because it's on there and I would have to sit there and cut it out and redo it if I don't want to stick it on there. But that's too much work. I'm not going to do that. I'm pretty confident the window visor is going to stay no problem at all. But the other reason I'm doing it this way too is this is going to give me some time to try out the visors, and when I take off, or if I take off that, well, I'm going to take it off eventually, the vinyl wrap, but this gives me a chance to see, all right, do I really want to keep these window visors, or are they freaking annoying or whatever? Because I don't know about y'all, and I'm 5'10" on a good day, but sometimes I smack my head on the top of the window frame deal when I'm getting in and out. I smack my head or whatever. So I don't really know how this is going to work out, but I'm going to try. So stick around. I always label my bottles and stuff so I know what's what. Now the car hasn't been cleaned or washed in months, but that's because I'm waiting for car parts. For example, I have been waiting for that turbo replacement for 2 months, something like that. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So here's the frame of the car, and that's where it's going to go. This is part of it's the rubber that goes right on the outside of the window, and I cannot install it on there because when you open the window's still going to hit. Even though it drops down about a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, it's still going to hit it. I put it on there, open the door, and that's how I was able to. Now, in fact, I'm going to show you guys. So if I put it on the rubber piece, which is about right there, and I open it, boom, it's hitting. So I don't want that. I'm gonna have to go right here on the frame. And even on the bottom down there, it's hitting. So I gotta figure that out first. Okay, yeah, it'll be fine. Back to the cleaning. One more time with soap and water. This is just the vinyl wrap, so I don't mind taking it off later on. I mean, what if I put the visors on and I keep smacking my head, or it rips off, or it flies off, and then I'm stuck with one on the other side stuck. But this way, when I take off this vinyl wrap, it's gonna come off and I can put fresh 3M tape on there, no problem. Alcohol water mix, not the drinking kind. That's why I put on there, don't drink. I think it's gonna look okay. But you really never know until you do it. I love to cruise with the windows down. you gotta do what you gotta do. Using my whole body to put some weight on this thing. Try and go a little bit higher. Okay, so if you open the door too fast, the window doesn't go down fast enough for it not to hit. So I think I'm gonna have to go a little bit higher. Trying to follow the seam right here. Shit, it's sticking that much down here, so I gotta this side lower. It's sticking now. So what I'm doing is lifting up like this and pushing this side down, the side that goes on the car. And it's sticking now. I thought that was gonna go another way. Perfect. No rubbing anywhere. All right, so that's the driver's side. I like how it looks. I don't know how it's going to function once I get on the road, but you know. Since I can't actually take it for a drive right now, I'm not gonna know for at least another week. So you wanna keep pushing because there could be air trapped inside some of the area where the 3M tape is trying to stick to the car. But if you keep pushing down hard, it'll push that air out of there, and that's what you want, because you want this thing to stick when you hit 100 miles per hour. And I don't race very much, but when I'm doing those logs for the tuning, especially since I'm getting a new turbo and it's a little bit different than the one I had, I have to start retuning from scratch again. Been tuning for 3 years because every time I decide to change the turbo. So it scratches just a little bit when you open really fast, but I'm okay with the way it is right now. It's hot. We already hit over 100 in Phoenix, Arizona, so crazy as shit. Oh man. Alright, let's go do the other side. I'm pretty happy with how it is already. So if you guys are looking to buy some of these, you can buy some at American Muscle, and they're advertising like 45 bucks, 50 bucks. I can't really remember what it was. Something 30 bucks, I don't know. But here's the catch. American Muscle has a handling fee or some BS, like, or shipping fees, some weird ridiculous fee. It brought up the price of these to almost $90 or something like that. So on my Instagram page, I posted, you know, hey, American Muscle, what the heck, dude? Freaking $40, $30, whatever it is, handling fee to handle this shit? Come on, give me a break. Anyways, one of my buddies, Too Savage, I'll put his Instagram on the video here, because the dude, I don't know if maybe he was looking for some at one point or whatever, but he sent me a message saying, hey, iKon has them for like 26 bucks or something like that, shipped, free shipping, no handling fee. Shoot. So I went to iKon and I bought them at iKon. I'm not paying no freaking $90 for the damn visors. Are you fucking kidding me? Be for real. Alright, same process here. I like American Muscle, but I'm not paying no freaking $90 for some plastic window visors. Yeah. This window. I really don't see these flying off at all. I've had the that little tiny carbon fiber spoiler that I have on the trunk. It's been on there for almost 3 years, and it only has 3 rows of 3M tape. That's it. That's the only thing holding that thing together. There's no bolts, no clips. But because I cleaned it properly with soap and then some alcohol and water, it's stuck really good. Now the hard part on that is I need to take it off because I'm changing that wing. No scraping anywhere, even if I open it fast. Nothing. That's it, guys. We're in the clear. We're all done with this. This thing ain't coming off unless I pull the vinyl off. I'm sure at some point I'm going to take off that vinyl, change it up a little bit, but for now I have at least another year with this vinyl at minimum, I think. So what I'm waiting for still is the GT500 wing from Vicrez, diffuser from Vicrez, and a steering wheel from Vicrez.com. And then the fourth thing, probably the most important right now for me, honestly, to get this car back on the road, is the turbo from Boost Lab. That's all I have, guys. I just wanted to put this video out there in case anybody wants to do the same mod or whatever. I honestly like how it came out. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Come back and see me again. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Gotta work on my enunciation. But thanks for watching, guys.